Hello, Mzanyi, it's Ogasop Girl. Chirofachi is saying Mr. Mloto scammed her 15,000 rand. So, Mzanyi, there's two sides of the story. And at this point, Kinale version fella ya Chirofacho. I do not have sight ya Mr. Mloto. He hasn't said anything. So, it's been a week right now. It's a video eki. So, I really cannot say much about it. It's her truth. So, I can't take that away from her and say, or no, she's lying or she's telling the truth. Well, it's her money, it's her experience. So anyway, the matter that I want to bring to your attention is that I know that a lot of people are looking for assistance from Latgag, either Ntate Moloto or ya Mr. Makura. All I can say to you, Muzanzi, because there is a lot of scammers here online. You would call and call and call and call Latgag and Ntate Moloto. You would call Latgag and Ntate Makura, and you would not get response. Probably they're busy. Lena, we experienced the same thing. We called for 3 days straight. Nyako Isha, cousin Yaka Kwale. They only answered our calls once. So the best solution is that if maybe let's say you're traveling from a different province and you want to go to Latgag and you do not know the place, go to Polokwane. If only Johnny Walker, you know, if Polokwane, request a Uber or Bolt. That way it's safer. Wawa, it's convenient, it's fast, you know. So unlike unamela taxi, but follow moki, kwana kuwa udring. Plus, a show can be really intimidating. If you're using your own car, you can also go to Polokwane and then wafitla go taxi rank opposite Limpopo Mall. You tell them I'm looking for this place, Latkak Makura or Latkak Ntatemoloto. Taxi drivers, you know, they will direct you, and then you will use your own GPS, and then you go there directly. Ofitla reception, they'll tell you, okay, these are the prices, this is how we work, this is what is needed, X, Y, and Z. Obviously, there's always someone go admin or go reception, but it's funny how these people, they do not pick up their calls. And last year I did like profile ya Ntate Latgag Makura. He posted the prices, you know, everything that you need to know, the important stuff. And then I came and then I shared the video here. I don't know if it was reported or it was against YouTube policies and then they took it down, so it's okay. But to avoid being scammed, Mzansi, it's best if you go in person. To be quite honest, it's best if you go in person. And then if you join walk off, you're okay, Nkaya Frogo, it's 3 hours drive or 5 hours away, Kichakili Northwest or Kichakili Mpumalanga, stuff like that. Limpopo ke kgole, ke tlo bana kwa mangai. You would book in. Book Airbnb. It's not that expensive. For my 200 rand, 250 or 300 rand, there's a lot of Airbnbs right now. Warobala wana go show the following day what it's amayena. And then you know that you saved yourself thousands and thousands and thousands of money of being scammed online. So it's best if you go in person. Nike the way di balang ka gona. So yeah, after just to such you.
Okay, Mzansi, so how we got scammed by Mr. Moloto, Mr. Landak Rehabilitation Center, ne? What happened was we have a family member that's on drugs, ne? And we needed like help. We still need help, actually. So we decided to reach out to Mr. Mlodo. My father and my uncles, they decided to reach out to Mr. Mlodo. You know, I mean, he's shown such incredible work here on TikTok, on social media, and I mean, you know, he's like now this lead person what he drags in South Africa. So we decided why not also give him a shot. Um so we tried to now get a hold of him. We got a hold of him and we told him the situation and he gave us the procedures. Ebari payment for over a duration of 6 months is gonna be 10,000. So my uncles, they were like, okay, they paid the money. I mean, you know, they didn't have any trust issues because this is a well-known figure. I mean, come on, we all know Mr. Muloto o tla tla ka batho ka di odd hours at night and o tla o botsa hore like he monna Joha, where's your pillow, you understand. So okay, fine. um how so he was supposed to come on a Tuesday, got those odd hours tsa gagwe a tlo collector the person, and he didn't show up till this day. You're on a Friday today, okay? Ke Friday, okay? So ke re bona hore actually after the Tuesday, yeah, I say in the morning vele ka re bona hore man, this person is not coming. Okay, they tried calling him and stuff like that. He did not pick up the calls. And then they tried calling him with a different number. He picked up the call and then by pretender, like, you know, we're looking for services. Mr. Mlot. Oh, those people, they told the person that called the same thing. Oh, okay, this is the process. What. We transfer the money. How? But whom? Okay. But these very same people who just scammed us. They're still doing the same thing, but they are continuing with their dirty job. Okay, so now I decided king upon myself. The real Moloto. There's a Facebook account with 31,000 likes, and there's a WhatsApp linked to the page, and also number is smaller. Hi man, I'm gonna call this Moloto. I call this Moloto. Hey, how are you? My family was scammed. Brad, this scam, they're all over now. Yeah, there was someone that was scammed. Again, it's not you guys, and we opened the case, and there are some people that got arrested last week Wednesday. So go open a case. Like, I encourage, go open a case. Yeah, so that we can build more evidence against these people. I wanna, yeah, maybe give us babang manje, because these people got arrested last week Wednesday. We got scammed this Tuesday. All right. We are like, I very sure too. Now I tell him, I'm like, okay, I can try this scam, but then we still need help. We still need help. We still need your services. So now we are 10,000 broker. Is it? Yeah. We need your assistance. Okay, fine. Man, because ba the scam. This is as back and forth ka di calls. Because kiluna ba di scam. Man. Ere ke tla tla fe location address ke tla Friday. Ke tla Friday ke tlo munka motho o, because lona ba le scamile ne tsa di tšhelete re tla di bua after. How I'm happy. I'm like, hey, thank God, progress. I tell my dad, listen, this is what this real Moloto is offering, because we're scammed. Jabo. He will still pick up the person, and then we'll talk about the monies later. Okay, sharp. How? He will pick up the person on Friday. Today is Friday. Kimfonele Maubane, and then progress. No, man, I'm not sure if it's gonna be today. I mean Friday. I think chances are it's gonna be Saturday. Oh, okay, no problem. So yeah, Namara I know I said Tabatadi Chalete will see them. Mara, can you please just try air, petrol, air transport 1.5? Kupukenya 1.5, and then for the other months, retla di bona later. Hi, okay, no problem. I'll talk to my father, because Kena the main person. Watch it. How? Okay. Actually, going back on a scam, or a re kwana ke msendele di proof of payment. So bontsha hore what happened. Even I'm shocked. I responded very quickly. Alright, man. I get one of the proof of payments. You guys were scammed. You guys paid into this account at Time Bank. How can you pay into an account at Time Bank? Because Time Bank has no physical location. Like, how can your father now be fooled like that? Apart go Time Bank, because there is no physical location. Like, how can you pay into a Time Bank, because there's no physical location, right? How are you gonna complain? Or hi man, sorry, now I run a business. Ke run a business mo. Ke run a business and need, like, how no re ke ka sebedisa Time Bank. Ke sebedisa business account. Sebedisa business account. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. Your father made a mistake, because how can they even fall for that? Because now I run a business. I can't be using Time Bank. I need to use a business account. Oh, okay. Fast forward, send me your banking details. Okay, send me your banking details, because I want you to pay the 1.5 transport. Okay. Good day, Mzansi. Good day, South Africa. Dumelani, Sanbonani, Absheni. I am Tshegofatso. And today I come with such a heavy heart. I come with such a heavy heart. I'm seeking help from South Africa. My family and I have been scammed 10,000 rand by Mr. Moloto, Mr. Landak Rehabilitation Center. They have scammed my family 10,000 rand. And we've seen the great work that he's done on social media, but we don't understand why, when it came to us, when we needed help, when we're in dire need of help, he decided to scam my family. So I'm asking for help, Zant.
Moral. I discipline. I moral. Batswadi ba di weng. Batswadi ba diweng ba hlomphiwa. Ebile ba diweng ba ratiwa. Batswadi ba diweng ba hlomphiwa. Ebile ba diweng ba ratiwa. You must have a mentality of what? A soldier. You must have a mentality of what? A soldier. Cleanliness. Cleanliness.